Hello, you are welcome. Today we are going to solve this problem. Solution: 16 by 4 minus square root of 15 in square root. This is the given problem. Now 16 by 4 minus square root of 15 times 4 plus 15 by, we are going to divide the same, 4 plus square root of 15 in square root. Now 16 times of 4 plus square root of 15 by 4 minus square root of 15, 4 plus square root of 15 in square root. Now we know this algebra formula, which a minus b, a plus b equal to a square minus b square. This formula we are going to apply here. So we'll get 16 times of 4 plus square root of 15 by, this is 4 square minus square root of 15 square in whole square root. Now this cancels this, so 16 times of 4 plus square root of 15 by 4 square is 16 minus this 15 in whole square root. Now 16 times of 4 plus square root of 15 by 16 minus 15 is 1 in square root. Now 16 times of 4 is 64 plus 16 square root of 15 in whole square root. Now 64 plus this 16 can be written as 2 times of 8 in 15 square root. Square root of 64 plus 2 times of 8 is square root of 64 square root of 15. Now we know this formula, which is a square root times b square root equal to square root of ab. This formula we are going to apply here. So we'll get 64 plus 2 times of square root of 64 times of 15 in square root. Now this 64 times of 15 in square root can be written as 8 times of 8 is 16 times of 5 times of 3 in square root. Same way, multiply this, so we'll get 40 times of, multiply this, we'll get 24 in square root. Now according to this previous square root formula, square root of 40, square root of 24, we can return this. So coming to this is 64 plus 2 square root of 40 times square root of 24 in square root. Now this 64 can be written as 40 plus 24 plus 2 square root of 40 times square root of 24 in whole square root. Now this 40 is square root of 40 square plus square root of 24 square plus 2 square root of 40 times square root of 24 in whole square root. We know this algebra formula that a square plus b square plus 2ab equal to a plus b whole square. This formula we are going to apply here. So we'll get square root of 40 in square root plus 24 square root whole square. Now this square and square root will cancel each other. Now we have square root of 40 plus square root of 24. Now this square root of 40 can be written as 8 times of 5 plus this is also 8 times of 3. Now according to the formula, so square root of 8 times square root of 5 plus square root of 8 times square root of 3. Now we are going to take this common out. Now square root of 8 open bracket 5 square root plus square root of 3. Now this can be written as square root of 2 times of 2 times of 2 open bracket square root of 5 plus square root of 3. Now the square root of 2 times of 2 is 2. So 2 square root of 2 open bracket square root of 5 plus square root of 3. This is the final answer for the given problem. Thanks for watching this video.